Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and I'm back with a DIY. I will be making my mother a bed skirt for her bed, and to do that I'm going to use these panels. These panels are a dark gray color. They are the grommets and they do have the lining in the back. I brought out two pair of curtain panels. Both of them are gray, but this one here is a lighter gray and it does not have the lining. I don't remember where these panels are from, but they are 85 inches in length. And yeah, I'm going to make it work. I wanted to make my mother a bed skirt because I was going to order a bed skirt that I saw on Amazon. And then I thought about it and I said, well, I can just make it myself. Here are the panels side by side, and I'm trying to decide which one I want to use first because I am going to make my mother a few bed skirts for her bed because I do have a lot of curtain panels that I'm not using. So I went with the darker gray color. That's the one that I'm going to put on her bed first. And what I did was just fold the curtain panels in half, made sure that I lined the grommets up evenly, and then I'm going to iron them just to put a crease in them. So I turned the panels around in this direction. It was so much easier to do it this way. And that's what I'm doing, just ironing out the wrinkles and keeping that crease in place. So that's why I turned the panels this way, because it was easier to hold that crease. And I'm just finishing up, so I have my crease in there so that way it will be easier for me to cut the panels. So you guys, I do have to go out and get the supplies, and what I'm going to use are fabric Velcro strips that you attach to fabrics. So I still have to go out and get that, but you guys, I just wanted to show you how it would look, and plus I wanted to see for myself. So when I get back from the store, then I will attach the Velcro to the panels, and I will do a video on that. But I already have everything ready. I have the panels ironed, have it creased, ready to go. So what I'm going to do is just attach it to the bottom, just tuck it under the mattress. And it's going to look really beautiful. I'm so excited about this. My mother hasn't seen it yet, but she will when she gets home. And I wanted to mention that I'm not going to do a full bed skirt to go around the entire bed, because as you can see that my mom's bed is against the wall, so I'm not going to do that side. I just have to do the foot of the bed and this one side that you see here. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look, almost finished look, but I hope that this helped you in any kind of way. So if you have some extra curtain panels that you don't use, you can do like I did. DIY them. Very inexpensive. I think the Velcro strips are probably maybe around $7, if that. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will be back when we attach the Velcro strips.